Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the working coupon code or the promo code for Hostinger to grab some discounts and deals on their official website, then this video is for you. So first thing that you have to do is make sure that you are updated with their website. So if you stick around with their official website or the social media platform, you can get some promo code or coupon code from here, because usually they release some promotional campaigns where you can get some Hostinger coupon codes and promotions. Here you can see I'm on the Hostinger official website, where they have just released some promotional campaign where you can claim the coupon here within this time here. So make sure you have claimed this coupon before the times run out. So you can use the coupon here. It don't need actually the coupon. So if you just simply click on use coupon, and you can save this much here, you can find let's say 76%, 74%, or the 73%. So you can simply click on use coupon button here, and you have to purchase it with that much of discount. Then some third-party website like Gravon, you can go to the gravon.in/hostinger/coupons, and from here you can find a list of coupon codes and the details about the coupon codes from here, where you can find it is verified. All you have to do is simply click on show coupon code button here, and you can find this coupon code revealed here, and this copy button will help you to copy this coupon code and you can paste it. So make sure that you have to try one by one and see which one actually works for you, because sometimes some code might get expired or it has reached its user's limit. Then the second website is CouponFollow, where you can go to the couponfollow.com/site/hostinger, where you can also find some updated coupon codes, the details about the discount here, and it is also verified. Now you have to do is simply click on show coupon code button here, and you can find the coupon code here. Now simply click on copy button, and it will help you to copy this code on your clipboard, and you can use it whenever you are going to purchase something from the Hostinger, any domain or any type of service from the Hostinger. So that's pretty much helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.